and you need a Swiss Army knife. First step is take the awl and make a hole in the center. So with the small blade I clean the entrance and the exit a little bit, like this. So that's all. Take the paracord, make a loop at one end, about 5 centimeters long, with a simple overhand knot. Like this. Then push the other end through the hole in the branch, make a knot that the branch can't fall out, and that's all. I really like to craft my own gear. This has 1,000 times more style than these cheap plastic stoppers from China. Take the time, try it out, go for it. Now I want to show you the principle how this system works. First, lay the paracord around the thing you want to bind together. Then hold one end like this, grab the loop, go through the loop with the stick, hold the stick and pull on the short end like this. Now you can see the paracord who is going around the tarp goes from downside through the hole, comes out here and get jammed through this part of the loop. Because of the two tight turns and the loop who pinch the cord, you have enough friction resistance that the paracord gets jammed. For release this knot, just turn the stick, push it through the loop, and now it's open. So my friends,